Let's all go to the lobby. Let's all go to the lobby. Let's all go to the lobby to get ourselves a treat.
Alright guys, I just want to cut this real quick video about the Keyshare Kimon that I picked up last week. Was it worth $99? Yes, absolutely, it was worth $99. The build quality on this thing is exceptional. Okay? But here's the problem. Okay? And it all comes down to this. It's not a very exciting quadcopter. Okay, I went out and I shot a video the other day. I'm not going to post the video. What I'm going to do is just show you a sample of the video quality at the end of this video. I'm going to run like a minute or whatever just to show you the quality of the video. But this thing just isn't for me. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pack it up and ship it off tomorrow to some good friends of mine. And they'll have a lot better, they'll have a lot more fun with it than I will. It's just boring. It's just a boring quadcopter. It's like 5 times more boring than the Breeze is, okay, because the Breeze is very slow. This thing is very slow. I went, like I said, I made the video and I spent about 2 hours editing it. And I couldn't make it exciting. And after I finished making the video, I watched it back like 4 times. And I said, well, you know what? I don't even want to post this, okay? Because it's just not something that would keep your attention. What this is just a flat-out selfie drone. That's what this is. The follow me on it works great. The 360 orbit, which is what I'm going to show you at the end of this video, that works great. It has some trace stuff on there, you know, point of interest type stuff in there. I didn't even get around to messing with that because you'd have to recharge the battery to do any more. I flew it for about 10 minutes, you know, and I was able only to get maybe a minute and a half or 2 minutes of anything that you would consider to be any kind of excitement that would be worth watching. Okay, so what this is something you take out and set it up to follow me and go run around in the park or at maybe, you know, a family reunion or a wedding or, you know, something like that where you're at some event, picnic, or out at the lake and you got your buddies around and you just want to take it up and you set the phone up and you do the old, you know, put yourself in the box and hit go and it'll just follow you around, you know, for 10 minutes or 12 minutes or whatever it is. And basically that's it. It doesn't really do a whole lot other than that. I mean, yeah, you can fly it. I did fly it. I took it up a little high and went back and forth, but it's very slow. You know, it's not like some kind of exciting type deal. So I'm just going to send it off to my friends and I'll just put that little video sample. The video looks good on this thing. You know, the video looks very clear. I shot it in 1080p 60 is what the video was. It shoots in 4K. It will shoot in 4K, but I think it's only like 24 frames per second in 4K. I'm not positive on that. But that's about it, man. Okay. It just wasn't for me. There wasn't enough excitement for me in this thing. That's for sure. But let me tell you what. It was well worth $99. I can assure you that. Okay? Just because of all the tech that's in this thing. You know, it's got the optical flow and the position hold sonar. It's got GPS hold and all that good stuff. Extra props, nice charger. You know, just real nice. Nice big battery. I think it's a 2,000 milliamp. yeah, real nice, but it's just not for me, guys. All right, I'll talk to you later.